sad or I'm depressed, it just helps me get it all out, you know?
Yeah.
And plus, speeding is like another way to like think more positive in the mindset.
Do you care about what might happen when you're speeding?
No. And let me tell you something. If I ever die in a car accident because I was speeding, just now I was smiling.